Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract email data from a Gmail account to your Monday.com boards using the Extract AI app by Jetpack Apps. First, make sure you have the Extract AI app installed in your Monday account. Next, you need to add all the necessary columns. Once you are ready and all the necessary columns are created, head over to the Extract AI board view. This is where we create the Extract AI block, which allows us to connect and extract data. Here, we can select Gmail, Outlook, or File. In this video, I'm showing you Gmail. As of this recording, our direct integration is still being verified by Google, so for the time being, we will create the AI block here, but use Monday's native Gmail integration to trigger it. So, let's create the block. Select the To-Do group, click Next, and then select the columns you would like to extract and where you want that data to be populated. When you're ready, click the Create AI block button to save the configuration. It will automatically create the necessary webhooks. Just click Done to activate. At this stage, we're not ready to receive emails just yet. Go to Integrate and search for Gmail. We will use the Monday native automation and select When an email is received, create an item in a group. From here, connect your personal or business Gmail account using your credentials. Once connected, select the email address and the target group. In this case, we want it to go to the To-Do group. Now you are ready to receive emails directly to your Monday board. Let's test this. I've just sent an email to the connected Gmail account. Now we just wait for the email to arrive on our board. All the data from the email that I selected in the AI block has been successfully extracted. Thank you for watching, and if you come across any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us.